Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of Zaz. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Today's recipe is garlic chutney in 3 different ways, and the best part is it's made with just 3 ingredients. So without any further delay, let's have a look at our ingredients. We'll need 1 cup of garlic, red chili powder and some salt as per your taste. The first step is to crush the garlic, so here I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic on a marble rolling board and crush them with the help of a hand masher. Now if you feel this is too much hard work, then you can even grind them roughly in a mixer jar, but doing this on a board like this or a mortar and a pestle will make sure that all the juices are intact and it doesn't become like a paste, because you will have the control over the consistency you'll need. Once all the garlic cloves are flat, you can add in the salt and red chili powder and start crushing them once more so that the garlic and the red chili powder combines well and there are no chunks of garlic left. You can adjust the salt and chili as per your taste, but since we like it a little spicy, I have added 2 teaspoons of salt along with 4 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can taste it and adjust it as per your spice levels. Garlic has active compounds which purifies the blood and helps in reducing blood pressure. It is a very good source of prebiotic food, which in turn keeps our gut healthy and improves digestion. It has a lot of antibacterial and antibiotic properties and is very good for lactating mothers since it stimulates the milk supply and hence boosting the immunity. Since garlic is a very common ingredient in every Indian household, it's so easy for us to gain all these benefits just by including garlic in your diet regularly. Moving on to the recipe, you can notice that the garlic is crushed and combined well with the red chili powder, and that makes our first chutney ready. Yes, you need to consume this raw to gain as much benefits as possible, because once the garlic is cooked, it loses so many properties. Hence, I would suggest you to enjoy this with some hot rice, ghee and this chutney. It tastes divine. For those of y'all who don't like raw garlic because of its pungent smell, I'm sure you're gonna love the second method. All you have to do is heat some ghee in a pan, add the crushed garlic chutney and saute this until the raw smell from it goes away and the edges become a little crispy. I would suggest you to use ghee instead of oil, because firstly, ghee is very good for our health, and secondly, garlic when cooked with ghee tastes so much better. So now all the raw smell from garlic has gone away, and you can also notice how the ghee is bubbling up around the chutney. So now our chutney is ready, guys. You can serve it as it is along with roti or rice, and especially if you have just recovered from fever or if you have a bitter mouth due to cold, you can try this recipe because it is so comforting and soothing. You will feel so much better after eating this. Moving on to the last and my most favorite part, this is the garlic egg chutney. All you have to do is add in 1 or 2 eggs depending on the quantity of garlic you have. So for this much garlic, I have added 2 eggs. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your choice. You just have to let it cook for a while, and then once it's cooked from bottom, you just have to scramble it and mix it well with the garlic. So that's it, guys. The third chutney is ready. I'm sure you are going to love this. This is like a staple at my place and it brings back so many memories every time I make this. This is like the best dish my grandmother has ever made. So I'm sure you will also enjoy once you make this. So that's it, guys. Do try this recipe. It's very simple, just 3 ingredients and you have 3 different recipes. So all you have to do is like, share, subscribe and comment on what you'd like to see next. And if you are trying this recipe, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. The link is in the description below. Until then, stay safe, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.